First test using the Optitrack with the Matrice 100. So here I have two windows of PuTTY running. So in this one I'm running the rosrun on board the Manifold, which is of course on board the drone. And in this one I'm running another ROS node, which is telling me the position. So here we can see that it's basically hovering there. It's 30 by 0.4 and so on. Now I'm going to move the quad rotor forward and see if the position changes. Well, I just move it. It's a bit farther from where I am. And here we can see that the position indeed changed. Now I'm going to move it again. Now it is a bit closer. Here we can see that the position in X also changed. And there is a quad rotor. So now we can see that it's properly running. And we can even see it in Optitrack in here. This is the quad rotor. Okay? Bye.